Whenever you're ready.
Hey, this is Marshall Rich with Rich Realty Group coming at you this week with another tip for home buyers out there. When you're looking at homes, there's obviously a bunch of different types of siding: brick, stone, vinyl, aluminum, fiber cement, and what we have here, which is hardboard masonite. Masonite siding's like, it's almost a bunch of fibers glued together. It was used a lot in homes in the 70s and 80s, and it's typified. You'll see a lot of times this design with the line going through it, as well as you'll notice nail pops, which you can see the nail heads. That's typical of masonite and is normal. What you need to know about masonite is that you need to keep it painted. This homeowner here has done that. Fresh coat of paint on this. It keeps all the edges sealed, the joints sealed, and you don't have problems. When masonite, when the paint wears off masonite, and is exposed to water, it will swell up. You'll notice it swells. Those pieces need to be replaced. A lot of times it's the bottom boards, the lowest boards, but it could be anywhere, and it's typified by, you'll see little swelling spots. When you replace it, come back with fiber cement. They make a fiber cement product that looks just like this board and will not rot in the future. Masonite is something where you don't need to panic or think that you need to replace the entire home siding. You do need to replace the rotten pieces and keep it painted. That's your tip of the day. As you know, it's a great day to buy real estate. Thanks.